Working with media is a great way to get more traffic, more credibility, and backlinks to boost your SEO. But finding the media to collaborate with could be very tiresome and annoying. You could spend hours on Google checking, estimating, finding the right media, especially if we are talking about niche media and blogs, which are usually cheaper and more effective. But there is a way to do it just with a couple of clicks. So here is Aiter, a tool that allows to do it. And let's see how it works. So for this, we just need your website. Let's imagine, for example, that we are running a custom software development company. And actually, I know one. So let's go to their website. We can just copy the URL and go to the Aiter app. Let's launch a new campaign and click generate. And voila, let's head to the PR section and to this tab, list of media to use for promo. Click generate. And here we can find the list of 30 links of mid-sized and niche media for your company and also blogs and industry platforms. This custom software development company, it develops solutions for fintech, and we can find a lot of links for fintech businesses. Let's explore a couple of them. Yep. So here we can see media with whom we can collaborate, ask for a sponsored article or propose a guest article, and tell about our business, get a backlink, and get more traffic. And so here we can see that there are quite a lot of them. You can even find some relevant subreddits here. Yeah, and so this way you can find some pretty good resources and get more clients. If you want to get more videos on how to use Aiter and how to optimize and improve your marketing, just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Cheers!